Hi YouTube, this is the President of Tourist back with their food review video. I'm at Earl of Sandwich trying their holiday sandwiches they have, especially for the holidays. This is holiday turkey and holiday ham. And you see the holiday turkey on the menu. I don't see the holiday ham on the menu. They're $7.49. One of them I got with a combo, which is like an extra $3.49 for a regular drink. And the chips. And here's our special holiday brownie. I'm going to crack open these bad boys, show them, and let you know what I think. Alright, see you in a second. Bye. Okay, here's the holiday ham, and it looks yummy. It smells delicious. And then holiday turkey. Can't wait to bite into this bad boys. I'm trying. And here's the holiday ham. It looks really good. Let's give it a try. It's actually quite sweet. They have cranberry sauce in there. Yeah, definitely very sweet. It's different. Never had anything quite like this. It's nice and hammy and cheesy though. You taste a little bit of the salt flavor through it, but really more sweet. It's really good. I like it. And normally don't care for cranberry sauce. Now let's try the holiday turkey. And I think this has cranberry in it too. See. Yeah. There's gravy in there and stuffing. I love the cranberry. Not as sweet as the other, but still pretty sweet. Kind of mushy inside, but mushy in a good way. I always really like Earl of Sandwich. The sandwiches are always really classy. I love both these. I think I almost like the turkey better than the ham. They're gonna have sandwich, but I like both of these. Really good. And I highly recommend both of them. Don't know how long they're gonna have it. I'm assuming to the end of December, but if you want to try these, you might want to get down here as soon as possible. They're delicious. You won't regret it. Alright, if you have any comments, questions, put them below. This is the first video of mine you ever seen. I do a lot of food reviews. I do a lot of restaurant reviews. Tourist stuff like Disney, abandoned places, historical places, museums. I just do a whole boatload of stuff. Please check out my channel. And if you like, please subscribe. Oh, I forgot one more thing. The holiday brownie. I'm going to put this all into one video. Almost forgot this. Looked over. I think I had this last year. It's delicious. A little harder, and I like it, but definitely taste the peppermint with chocolate. It's delicious. Definitely chocolatey. I like it. I'm not a huge fan of brownies, but this one I definitely like. Alright. Truly, I gotta get going. So, any kind of questions, put them below. Thank you for watching. Bye.